This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about no-flap plastic bags, specifically these BagTech clear no-flap bags. And as you can see, they're just beautiful little crystal clear plastic sleeves. They open at the top, and as you can see, there's no flap. So they're going to be perfect for filling with snacks and treats, and you can either heat seal them if you have one of those to seal the top and really seal in that freshness, or they're easy enough to bunch up and tie with either a twist tie, some ribbon, or another little, just another little style of tie. So they're really great bags for bagging up a variety of different treats. I love them for things like popcorn or pork rinds, and we've got two sizes here. There's the 3 3/4 by 10 and also the 7 by 14. So you have some great size options for different snacks, which is fantastic. The premium food safe plastic on these is also recyclable, which is another bonus, and it makes them great for packing up things like cookies, candies, all sorts of snacks. Think things you find at the fairground, right? Whether it's pre-bagging some cotton candy, pork rinds, or another fried up little snack food, dry goods like granolas or cereal if you're going to sell some bulk items retail, or just a variety of other treats, both savory and sweet. So they're a fantastic option for bakeries if you're doing things like weddings and you want to send people home with things like popcorn favors at the end of the night, various catered events, and especially for things like fair vendors who are looking to pack up foods, and you want to make sure you have that crystal clear packaging so you can really attract people to your stand. These are a great option if you're looking for no flap plastic bags.